While the world was watching SpaceX and NASA, three nations quietly became the new superpowers of space exploration. The UAE reached Mars in their first attempt. Japan achieved the most precise moon landing in history, and India just became the first country to land at the lunar South Pole. This is the story of how these nations are rewriting the rules of space exploration, and why their approach might be the future. After decades of neglect following the Apollo missions, the moon is suddenly the hottest destination in space. But this isn't about planting flags anymore. Scientists have discovered that the lunar South Pole contains massive deposits of water ice. This isn't just water, it's rocket fuel. Break it into hydrogen and oxygen, and you have everything you need to refuel missions to Mars and beyond. The moon has become the ultimate gas station for deep space exploration. And three nations realize this before anyone else, each taking a different approach to get there. The UAE has been transforming itself for decades, but its space program is perhaps its boldest move yet. In just 20 years, they went from having no space agency to reaching Mars. The Hope probe didn't just reach Mars, it became the first Arab nation to enter Martian orbit, studying the planet's atmosphere in ways no previous mission had attempted. But their lunar ambitions are even more impressive. The Rashid rover, entirely designed by Emirati engineers, was just 10 kilograms, but packed with cutting-edge instruments. Although the landing failed due to a communication error, the UAE gained invaluable experience. Now they're partnering with NASA on the Lunar Gateway project, proof that their collaborative approach is working. Japan has always been synonymous with precision, and their space program is no exception. While others aim for general landing zones, Japan decided to hit targets within 100 meters. Slim, nicknamed the Moon Sniper, didn't just land on the moon, it landed exactly where it was supposed to. This level of accuracy is game-changing for future missions, targeting specific resources or terrain. But Japan's space mastery goes far beyond the moon. Their Hayabusa 2 mission traveled to an asteroid 300 million kilometers away, collected samples, and brought them back to Earth, a feat only Japan has accomplished. Japan is also pioneering the commercial space frontier. Private companies like iSpace are developing lunar cargo services, creating a sustainable space economy that could fund future exploration. India's approach to space is legendary for achieving maximum results with minimum cost. Their Mars mission cost less than the movie Gravity, yet it successfully orbited Mars on its first attempt. Their lunar program shows this systematic approach perfectly. Chandrayaan-1 discovered water on the moon. Chandrayaan-2 provided crucial learning despite a landing failure. Then Chandrayaan-3 made history, the first successful landing at the lunar South Pole, exactly where those valuable water ice deposits are located. India didn't just reach the moon, they reached the most important part of it. Now they're preparing for Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission. By 2025, Indian astronauts will join an exclusive club of nations, capable of sending humans to space independently. What makes this new space race different is collaboration. Instead of competing in isolation, these nations share resources, technology, and even spacecraft. The UAE's partnership with Japan's iSpace, India's collaboration with Japan on future polar missions, is space exploration for the 21st century. These nations aren't just reaching for the moon. They're building the foundation for humanity's next giant leap. And they're proving that the future of space belongs to those bold enough to reach for it.